And this is one of the definitions that I really love and I think is really useful, which is that men give and boys take. It's a very handy definition of if we're grown up or not. So men are givers. Boys are still looking to take as much as they can. So this boy might be 60 years old or 55 or whatever, and this man might be 12. It's just not really a chronological age. It's the condition of maturity of, am I a giver? Am I looking to give love in life? Or am I just wanting to take love? Am I trying to find someone just who's going to give me love? Give me, give me, give me. Am I trying to take a woman's sexuality, or am I trying to give something in that process? Even if it's a one-night stand, am I just trying to take? It's very unattractive to women when you're out doing pickup. If you're just trying to take sex, if you're trying to give her an experience, even if it doesn't last, maybe it'll last a short time, maybe it won't, but you're trying to give something, that's a completely different vibration. You're coming from a completely different place in yourself. You're coming from a heart center. In Tantra, we say that men are trying to bring their heart energy down and express it through their penis. So we see that as a very beautiful thing, that men are trying to share their heart energy through their penis. And that, again, doesn't mean that you have to be in love with everyone. It's just a giving. It's a giving rather than a taking energy. So I think this is why pickup gets such a bad name, because a lot of guys in it are still boys. It's okay. Everybody's on a spiritual path, but it's this really owning that I am a heart-centered man, and I want to express that through my sex, through my penis. That's how we would see men. Women, of course, are we see in Tantra as the opposite, which is that women are in their hearts and they want to be approached through their hearts first before they receive through their sexual organs. So this is something to always, if it's a useful thing for you, you can really look at yourself and go, am I a giver or a taker? In this particular incident, am I giving or am I taking? In that relationship where I still have a broken heart from that, do I have room to grow myself up so that in my next relationship, I will be a giver and give love and share love and exchange love